Health Zone presents fantastic beauty uses of coconut oil. It's no secret that coconut oil is one of the healthiest oils on the planet. Coconut oil may also be used in an assortment of ways to make you look more stunning. The following are some fantastic beauty uses of coconut oil. 1. Cheekbone enhancer. To make your cheekbones appear more pronounced, simply smear a thin layer of coconut oil on them. This simple beauty trick comes in very handy on days you wish to skip applying makeup. Want to sport some rosy cheeks? Add some liquid lipstick to coconut oil before applying it on your cheekbones. 2. Deep conditioner. Ever wondered why so many hair care and styling products contain coconut oil? No, it's not to leave them smelling good but to make them work wonderfully. Coconut oil is a cheap deep conditioner for your hair that contains no harsh ingredients. Massage on hair and scalp before bedtime and put on a shower cap. Shampoo as usual the following day. 3. Frizz tamer. Nothing about frizzy hair is attractive. Deal with this very common hair issue by daubing coconut oil on the ends of your tresses. It also helps in keeping split ends at bay. 4. Makeup remover. Forget those expensive makeup removers that leave a nasty dent on your budget. All you have to do is grab a bottle of coconut oil to effectively remove every bit of makeup on your face at the end of the day. Place a few drops on a cotton pad or ball and start removing makeup. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser afterwards. 5. Body moisturizer. Make your favorite body moisturizer work better by adding a few drops of coconut oil on it before applying all over. Aside from hydrating your skin cells effectively, coconut oil also makes you smell really good. 6. Eye cream. Dark circles and fine lines in the eye area rob you of your confidence and youthful appeal. Most eye creams on the market are simply too harsh for sensitive skin around your peepers. Luckily, there's coconut oil that works as a wonderful replacement for supermarket bought eye creams. Apply a thin layer of it on those unsightly dark circles and fine lines to enjoy lovelier eyes. 7. Lip softener. A great way to soften dry and rough skin is by smearing them with coconut oil. Devoid of harsh ingredients, this yummy smelling coconut oil penetrates deeply to moisturize your lips, as well as creates a protective barrier that saves them from drying. An added tip: apply coconut oil on your lips before bedtime for luscious kisses the next day. 8. Smile brightener. Most whitening toothpastes are expensive, harsh on your gums and teeth, and ineffective. Coconut is a tried and tested effective tooth whitener. Simply dip your toothbrush in coconut oil and brush away. As a bonus, coconut oil will make your breath fresh as it has powerful antimicrobial properties that kill off bad breath-causing bacteria. 9. Shaving cream. Get a closer shave each time with the help of coconut oil. This all-around gift from nature softens the skin and those unwanted hairs for a really impressive outcome. Unlike shaving creams with alcohol, coconut oil won't dry up your underarms. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.